Hey, I'm Royden. Welcome back to Access All Areas. Who said aluminium composite panel was boring? Recently, we were contacted by a company to help create a couple's dream wedding. With Probond's vast colour range and premium quality finishes, choosing our navy blue ultra sheets was a no-brainer to tie in with a luxurious theme. The bridal stage was created out of custom cut and groove panels fabricated on the wall saw, and the backdrop was completed using 9 router cut arches, processed on our flatbed CNC. This stunning centrepiece was 11 metres wide and stood 3 metres high. With a tight deadline to work with, this huge 45 sheet job was completed in record time. Also getting the magic wand were the overhead beams, all clad in Blue Probond with the floral garlands and glass candelabras were strung off. Finished off with touches of metallic gold and red crimson hues, this wedding was definitely one that guests won't forget. Remember, we can't be beaten on speed with our guaranteed 48-hour turnaround time on all CNC cutting and projects. See you again on Access All Areas.